Scientists are only now discovering the importance of the millions of microorganisms that live in our bowels. Once this area of medicine has been fully developed, it will drastically transform the way we treat diseases as diverse as cardiovascular disease and cancer. Stick around to learn more. All humans carry a wide variety of bacteria, archaea, viruses, protists, and fungi in their bowels, which are collectively called the gut microbiome. When researchers use the term gut microbiome, they're talking about the bugs and all their genes that live in the bowel. When they refer to the term gut microbiota, they're talking about the actual bugs that live there. But what is gut health? Gut health is the health of the collection of microorganisms that live in the gut, the microbiota, and as such, researchers use several parameters to define gut health. A healthy gut microbial composition is stable, resists foreign germs, provides key nutrients including vitamins and fermentation byproducts to its hosts, and promotes healthy metabolic and immune functions. Gut health can be measured by determining the numbers of different distinct bacteria that live in the gut. This is known as alpha diversity, and low alpha diversity is associated with diseases such as Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, and type 2 diabetes. Higher alpha diversity is thought to reflect a healthy gut ecosystem. Beta diversity measures the differences in types of bugs that occur from one sample to the next in the same individual. Both fatty liver disease and type 2 diabetes are associated with high variability in bugs from sample to sample. We can also determine gut health by measuring the molecules and the chemicals produced by the bugs in the bowel. Many of these can leak through the bowel wall and travel to the liver where they're modified. From there, they can enter the general circulation and influence a variety of organs. These can be beneficial or harmful to us. Take, for instance, short-chain fatty acids, which are produced when the gut bacteria break down fiber in the bowel. These can protect us from Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease, and there's considerable evidence that the Microbiota-Gut-Brain Axis plays an important role in mental and cognitive health. On the other hand, when the gut bacteria break down proteins, some of the byproducts, such as TMAO or trimethylamine nitric oxide, may increase the risk of atherosclerosis and heart disease. When the numbers and types of bugs living in the bowel are disturbed, we call that dysbiosis. The disturbance may be the result of nutrition, physical activity, physical and psychological stress, lack of sleep, socioeconomic status, use of antibiotics, exposure to pets, exposure to noise or temperatures. This often causes the production of harmful byproducts, increases the permeability of the bowel wall, or causes a lack of nutrients the body needs, and can lead to several metabolic diseases, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, cardiovascular disease, and even some types of cancer. We can correct gut dysbiosis by a change in diet, or by the use of probiotics, prebiotics, or synbiotics, or with fecal microbiota transplantation. Probiotics are a collection of bacteria and or yeasts that naturally live in the gut. Prebiotics are indigestible foods that stimulate the growth of good bacteria and suppress the growth of bad bacteria in the bowel. Synbiotics are products that combine probiotics with prebiotics. Fecal microbiota transplantation is a procedure in which stool is taken from a healthy individual and inserted into the bowel of a person suffering from bowel dysbiosis, and has been effective in reversing several diseases, including insulin resistance. I hope the video answered some of your questions regarding gut health and that you found it useful. If you did, like and share the video, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can receive notification when new videos are produced. Thanks for watching.